both the nations. Agreements signed to boost cooperation. Agreements signed. Pharma, sports, infrastructure, education. These were the key areas where these 6 MOUs have now been signed. Extension of the OCI cards for 6th generation Indian diaspora is also something that has now been signed between India and Trinidad and Tobago. 6 MOUs have been signed. Those are the visuals that you can see playing out. Large people from the Indian diaspora had welcomed Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Agreements have been signed to boost cooperation. Agreements have been signed in infrastructure, in pharmaceuticals, sports, education. These were some of the key areas, key sectors where we have seen MOUs being signed. Extension of the OCI cards for 6th generation Indian diaspora is something that will now open up.
Firstly, extension of OCI card facility up to 6th generation of Indian diaspora members in this country. As of now, this facility is available up to 4th generation of Indian diaspora members in TNT. This announcement was very enthusiastically received by the Indian diaspora, which constitutes almost 40 to 45% of the population of this country. In the education sector, PM announced gifting of 2,000 laptops to school students in Trinidad and Tobago, underscoring the use of technology in the area of education. As part of India's Humanity campaign, India also announced holding of artificial limb fitment camp in TNT for 50 days for 800 people. There were 2 more announcements in the healthcare sector. One was gift of 20 hemodialysis units and 2 sea ambulances to TNT to assist in the provision of healthcare. In addition, in the healthcare services sector, we have announced specialized medical treatment of 10 dignitaries of Trinidad and Tobago at accredited Indian hospitals for an amount of rupees 1 crore per annum, along with return airfare under our Heal in India program.